$125. Retail on that was $300. Guys, we were just looking at this on the OVO site for $170. What is going on, guys? Just an OVO update back again with another video, and today we are going to be doing a complete OVO holiday shopping guide. In this video, we're going to go over the best items available from OVO and a few other sites as well where you can get OVO, see some steals as well, some deals. So stay tuned because I know you guys want to get the hookup on the best prices. This is going to be a great video if you're looking maybe to buy your friends some OVO for the holidays, what to ask your parents, or maybe you just want to spoil yourself. So this is going to be the video. We are on the home page. I know OVO actually did have a drop today when you are watching, and a lot of the stuff is still available on the site. Again, not too crazy of a drop today, kind of just some restocks. But that is going to change without the next following weeks because we do have a big collab coming up. And let's just say if you want a jacket, you better start saving. And let's hop straight into the OVO website, over to the new arrival section to check out, you know, all the new stuff that dropped today. And this is where I want to start with the classic Owl hoodie that did come out today. This hoodie is a classic essential and will always be on the OVO website. So if you're looking for an OVO staple, this is definitely the way to go. This will always be classic and timeless. So I definitely recommend if you're just looking for one of those hoodies where you know you can't go wrong, this is definitely one of them. Again, made in Canada, 400 GSM. And this one does fit true to size as well. Definitely one of the better fitting hoodies from OVO. $168, a little more on the pricier end, but again, the quality definitely reflects. Now moving on, guys, we do have the Collegiate Collection. Is again another staple in OVO. So if you're looking for your first item, maybe you're looking to get someone something from OVO and it's like their first thing, this is a great piece to get them. Again, the loud branding, October's very own, the owl. This is the ideal hoodie you'd want to get someone who's just getting into the brand. And it's good because you can get a matching tracksuit, matching sweatpant as well. So those are my top two picks under the new arrival section, but let's dig deeper into the site and see what else you can get. Now this is another great one, a good stocking stuffer. You could put this one on your keychain, and it does come with a bottle opener as well, so it doubles as a 2-in-1 with the Familia logo throughout. This is definitely something you'd probably want to add to your order as well. Say you're making a purchase of a hoodie, a t-shirt, just throw in the lanyard. It's only $28, can't really go wrong there. The next item for me is the Ovo Puffer Jacket. You guys know how much I do enjoy this piece as well. This is something that will last a long time throughout many years. The quality is amazing. Made in Canada, all that good stuff. The good insulation with Primaloft will keep you very warm in the winter. If you do want to wear a hoodie underneath this, I do recommend sizing up. So keep that in mind if you decide to make the purchase. Again, I'm pretty sure they got a decent amount of sizes, so take a choice. You have the yellow, the green, the blue, and the black, as well as the matching vest. So if you don't like the jacket, maybe go with the vest. Again, it's a bit cheaper, $100 less. I still love the vest. You can see I got the way one right behind me. Next up on the holiday buying guide from OVO, the Familia hoodie right here is a great one, especially for someone who's new to the brand. Comes in black, comes in white. And most likely when you're buying an OVO hoodie, maybe it's like your first or second item from the brand, you want people to know it's OVO. So having the owl, having the logo saying October's very own across is ideal to someone in that situation. Now probably one of the last picks from the OVO site is going to be this t-shirt right here, the pom-pom script, black, white, and gray, as well as it being made in Canada. $48 for a t-shirt like this. I love this style, I love this graphic. This is definitely something you'd want to add. I know for a fact if this did drop in like the spring, almost summertime, this would be an instant sellout. So definitely don't sleep if you have your eye on this t-shirt. Ask your parents, ask your friends, yo, I need an OVO tee. This is the one with decent amounts of sizes left. Can't go wrong there. Now moving on to the next application, we have Grailed. Again, Grailed, lots of amazing deals on the site. This is the first one that catches my eye. $60 jersey. Retail on this was $130. Half off, guys. Here we got a Japan exclusive t-shirt all the way from the store overseas. $150. Retail was like 80 Canadian. So you're paying a little bit more, but you do get that exclusive. So maybe if you're buying for someone that likes that exclusive shit, that's the way to go. We got an OG new Era Ex Ovo Hat, and this is a great item right here. $65 as well. Honestly, this is something I'd consider to cop. It is a bigger size though, 7.5. but this is an awesome one. Here looks to be a D squared X OVO t-shirt, and $125 retail on that was $300. So again, the deals are on Grail. Just make sure when you're buying, you take a look at the seller, take a look at the quality, and make sure the authenticity is real before you buy it. You do have protection though on Grail. Just things you want to keep in mind when you're copping. Take a look at this classic owl. Guys, we were just looking at this on the OVO site for $170. And here it is in a more used condition, obviously, but for 60 bucks. Maybe you need that CLB jacket. Grail's got one for you for $1.4 thousand. That's a lot of money for this one. The knock the tag, very, very cool. But hey, if you got the money, you may want to pull the trigger, go right ahead. CLB on here as well. Here we go. Here's a good deal right here. $240 for the Canada OG Owl Hoodie. A lot of people are charging $400, almost $500, $240 for a used condition hoodie. Not a bad price at all. So if you're looking for a medium Canada hoodie, that's probably a good one to go for. Even this OVO Bape jacket, $675 US. That's an amazing price. Retail on that I think was $700. So almost under retail in the US. A great buy, especially now that it's winter. This is pretty ideal for the months that we're in right now. So I know this video was a little quick, but I did want to show you guys some of the picks that I choose on the OVO site, on third-party sites such as Grailed, and you can even check out Facebook Marketplace as well as Kijiji, Craigslist to see those deals. Find maybe some good pre-owned items you want to get your hands on for the holiday season. But if you're looking for some gifts, the OVO site is definitely the place to be. I also do have a few leftover things to sell. So we got this Win exclusive shirt in a large. We have 2 large black as well. So if you're interested in those, definitely hit my DM. I got them up. So 90 USD shipped. Let me know if you want it. And that's going to do it for today's video. So I do hope you did enjoy. I hope you guys got some inspiration. Maybe some things you want to buy for your friends, or maybe something you want to ask for Christmas. Definitely can't go wrong with some of the stuff I showed in today's video. So with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. What is good, guys? I did film this video on a Black Friday. The day you're watching this is probably December 1st, and the OVO Canada Goose is coming up this week, so it's going to be a huge week. Get your money ready if you want a new jacket, and if you want a trucker hat, because they got those coming up as well. So stay tuned to the YouTube channel, because I'm going to be doing a full dropless video the night before. So stay tuned, on the lookout for that. And that's pretty much it for the channel updates right now. Again, lots of videos coming out this week. Stay on the lookout. December is going to be a crazy month. Nocta coming up in like, what, 18 days now? So it's going to come by very, very fast. Anyways, I've been talking for too long. I'm going to catch y'all in the next one.